In this video, I will show you how to add widgets on Windows 11. So let's jump straight into it. Now, to do this, as you can see, we're here on my Windows 11 desktop. The first thing you're going to want to do is come down to your toolbar at the bottom, and in the search box, go ahead and type Store. And then what you want to do is open up the Microsoft Store underneath Best Match. So once you've opened up the store, what you're going to want to do is come up to the search box at the top, and in here you want to type the widget. So just like so, one word. What you then want to do is click onto the first app that comes up, this Be Widgets app, give it a click, it's completely free to download and use, and then click the Get button. So once Be Widgets has finished installing, what you can do is go ahead and open this up. So at this point, you can just close down the Microsoft Store, then just go ahead and click OK. And what you want to do, it looks like this. All you want to do is click the blue New Widget button. Now at this point, as you can see, we've added a time widget. What we can do is customize this, and we can change this as well. You can see it sets time, but we can change this to like the weather, for example. So we can have this weather widget, and we can add multiple widgets as well by clicking the New Widget button, and then adding like our time widget, and we can just repeat this for as many widgets as we want. So we can do this one for like finances as well, just like so, and it's going to connect and then add the finance widget. But that is how to add widgets on Windows 11. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.